Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to explore a fundamental concept in the world of chemical engineering, the batch process. You might wonder what that is, and the easiest way to understand it is to think about baking a cake. You gather all your ingredients, put them in a bowl, mix them, and bake them. Once the cake is done, you take it out. The process has a clear beginning and a clear end. That's the core idea of a batch process. In a chemical plant, instead of a bowl, we use a large vessel, often called a reactor. The entire operation is done in a sequence of steps. First, there is the charging step, where all the raw materials, or reactants, are loaded into the vessel. Second is the processing or reaction step. Here, the materials are mixed, heated, cooled, or allowed to react for a specific amount of time to create the desired product. Third, we have the discharging step, where the finished product is removed from the vessel. Finally, there's often a cleaning and preparation step, where the vessel is cleaned out and made ready for the next batch. This downtime between batches is a key characteristic. So, when is this method used? Batch processes are perfect for producing smaller quantities of a product. They are heavily used in industries like pharmaceuticals, specialty chemicals, and food production, where product quality and traceability for each specific batch are extremely important. Another huge advantage is flexibility. A single set of equipment can be used to make many different products. You can make a batch of product A today, clean the equipment, and make a batch of product B tomorrow. This is much harder to do in a continuous process, which is more like an assembly line that runs 24/7 making only one thing. The trade-off is that batch processes can have more downtime and may require more manual labor compared to continuous operations, but for high-value or multi-product manufacturing, their flexibility is unmatched. Thank you so much for watching this quick overview of the batch process. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more educational content and is greatly appreciated. We'll see you in the next one.